Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your manuscript so formatting won't slow you later. Create a new document and choose a template or blank file, then define core styles: title, heading 1, heading 2, and normal. Set page size, margins, and line spacing for your target trim. Make sure auto-save or frequent manual saves are enabled. Once done, add a simple chapter file structure using heading 1 for each chapter. This first step prevents messy rework and gives you consistent navigation and export later. Now write and organize content in a workflow that scales. As you draft, apply heading styles to chapter titles so the navigation pane becomes your table of contents in progress. Insert section breaks when you need different headers, footers, or numbering schemes. This ensures front matter stays separate from body text. Use track changes and comments if you're editing or collaborating, and keep backup versions with incremental file names. Make sure to run find and replace for recurring issues, then update style definitions centrally to keep formatting. Finish by preparing a clean, distributable file. Update the table of contents, confirm page numbers and widows/orphans, and run read aloud for a final pass. Export to PDF for print or use save as EPUB or an add-in for digital formats. Embed fonts when necessary. If you hit layout problems, inspect section breaks, clear style overrides, and avoid manual spacing. Repair those first. If problems persist, revert to a recent saved version and reapply styles. That usually restores stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.